Good morning. I am taking the privilege today to talk on talent acquisition in this video. I am Dr. D.C. Ray. I have worked for 35 years across very many organizations, right from large conglomerates to medium-sized organization, as also family-run small businesses. Across my career, maybe I have sourced, I have recruited lakhs of people in different organizations. I have interviewed lakhs of people right from freshers to CEO, CXO level. Today, the term recruitment has been replaced by talent acquisition. This replacement is a good replacement, provided we appreciate, we understand, we capitalize the hidden meaning and exposed meaning of the word talent acquisitions. It is obvious, we all know, organization is a combination of people coming from various backgrounds, various locations, various languages, various family backgrounds, various personality profiles, various academic backgrounds, so on and so forth. The challenge of the organization lies in making the combination as a whole so that there does not remain any weak link. How the organizations do this? By disclosing organization's vision, organization's mission, goals and objectives from time to time to achieve the business success and growth. Ideally, and in fact, the most important asset of an organization is how effective, efficient, contributory is the team, rather entire team in the organization is matching with the requirements of the organization. For that purpose, the job of talent acquisition is very tough, very meticulous, very analytic, very tedious, and very sensitive to the purpose. What we do in the process? We structure our organization, plan the manpower, design the roles and responsibilities, KRAs, KPAs, so on and so forth, balance scorecard, this, that. Then we go for giving an advertisement or take the support of portals to get the CVs or the consultants to get the CVs. We compare the CVs, try to shortlist a few who are comparatively better than others. Then we call for interview. We take the interview and try to find out the better one or the best one from the lot available for interview. But is it the end of the story? Of course not. The moment we say talent acquisition, we need to look into the depth of not only now but also of the larger future, both of the candidate we are hiring and of the organization purpose. Why? If a talent or if a recruitment goes wrong or ineffective or even moderately effective, even then there is a cost. There is a cost of hiring, cost of contribution, cost of delivery, cost of influence of that deficiency across the organization. Many times a mishire or mistaken talent can jeopardize a system. So it is very hard task to get the right fit with right competencies, right culture, right personality built, internal and external, and right potentiality to take into the organization. If we take an example of a very recent, very high profile mishap in the corporate world, is that of Mr. Cyrus Mistry in the Tata Group. Can we think a Tata Group like group had to suffer a lot, had to pay huge cost by hiring Mr. Mistry in their system? It is not that Mr. Mistry is a simple guy. He is also a business tycoon, belong to a business tycoon family. Even then, that finally proved out to be a misfire for Tata Group. This happens in many organizations. May not happen also, but happening is more than not happening. Particularly from the mid-level to the top level, even including the managing director. Talent acquisition is very, very challenging. One has to be analytic, one has to be thorough, one has to be very much conversant with entirety of the requirement, not only the position. Position is a micro. Every recruitment has to have a global perspective in the or within the organization. That has to be there. And for that, talent acquisition team as also top management have to have a very critical view, critical analysis, critical thought process, critical confidence, and critical attempt and efforts to get a talent. Failing which, stories may go wrong. Across my career, I may have visited thousands of campus recruitments, including IIM, IITs. In one example, I do not name it, I wanted to go for one MBA guy having background of engineering with experience of 3-4 years. After interviewing 27 candidates, I was failed to even shortlist only one. Just try to think, why? Is it all they are not fit for one or the other? Of course, they are fit for one or the others, but they are not fit for what I was looking at for my organization. During my entire career, I have done this, I have tried to do this, I have tried to bring right candidates with high potentiality in the organizations. But honestly saying, remaining within the framework of organization, HR fraternity has limitations. Top management has limitations in one form or the others. And for that reason, many times some slips happen, and that becomes costly at the end of the day over a period of time, in terms of attrition, in terms of retention, in terms of cultural gaps, in terms of mismatch, in terms of chaos, in terms of conflicts, so on and so forth. In the conclusion, or in the concluding part, I do not want to make it lengthy. I am now retired. I am open, and I have urge to contribute to the asking corporates and business houses in the process of their talent acquisition. I will be glad to share my expertise, give my expertise, whether as an advisor, whether as a consultant, or whether as a member in the talent acquisition team. I will be glad to contribute. It was my desire always to dig into the subject, dig into the organization, dig into the business of the organization, then think of a talent, whom to hire, where from to hire, how to hire, and what process can be taken. I am open for, I have done headhunting not only nationally but also globally. I had to do for corporates many times. So my earnest request or appeal or an application to the corporate houses, I will be grateful, I will be pleased if I can contribute in your talent acquisition process. If you like to get me, call me, to see you, to visit you, please call 93319 32523. I repeat, 93319 32523. With a commitment to serve to the best of the best level in talent acquisition, I am ending here my video with lot of thanks, with assurance of all the successes now and future. Thank you very much.